Myself, Dr. Sapan Bacher, Assistant Professor, Netaji Subhash Chandra, Science College, Mulchara. Today, we will see or we will study about digestive system of leech. See, first we will see the systematic position, or it is called classification. In animal kingdom, it is Animalia, phylum Annelida, class Clitellata, order Gnathodella, genus Hirudinaria, species is Granulosa. See, alimentary canal of leech, it is complete, a straight tube of varying diameter extending from mouth to anus. As leech is sanguivorous, see, alimentary canal is suitable for blood sucking and storage of uncoagulated blood. A small portion is concerned with digestion and absorption. See, digestive system of leech consists of alimentary canal and digestive gland. Now, alimentary canal, it is also subdivided into preoral chamber, buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus, crop, stomach, intestine, and rectum. Now, digestive gland is only salivary gland. See, in this figure, these are the details of digestive system of leech, and all the figures are clearly shown. That is the median jaw, it is found at the mouth region, and radial muscles are there in the pharynx. Then below pharynx, that is esophagus, are clearly seen. And see the large number of crops. These crop pockets or crop chambers are filled with blood. Now there are near about 10th crop. See, next slide we will see preoral chamber. Its position, it is located on the ventral side of oral sucker. Now structure, it is cup shaped depression. The roof is formed by membrane like velum bearing a triradiate opening, the mouth in the center. A velum forms 3 lips, 2 dorsolateral and on midventral. Now see, it is the buccal cavity. Buccal cavity, the position, mouth leads into buccal cavity. It is short chamber behind the velum. See here, in the buccal cavity, several jaws are there. Now the structure, it having, there are 3 crescentric jaw on mid dorsal and 2 ventrolateral. Jaw also called as monosticodont due to each jaw bears a single series of minute teeth on its free edge. See, near about 103 to 128 teeth in median jaw and 85 to 115 in lateral jaw. On the east side of jaw, 42 to 45 small button-shaped salivary papillae are present, a number of opening of salivary gland. Now, functions, that is movement of jaw, make a Y-shaped wound in the skin of host. See the structure of pharynx, position, the pharynx lies in the body segment 5th to 8th, highly muscular, oval, longitudinal fold in inner surface. It is surrounded by radial muscles and salivary glands. Now the function of pharynx, it works like a suction pump. Hirudin prevents blood clotting. Now esophagus, the position pharynx leads into esophagus. The structure, it is very short, narrow tube and lumen, folded epithelial lining. The functions of esophagus, that is pharynx leads into the crop through esophagus. Next, position of the crop. Now there are 10 crop chambers. It is placed from 9th segment to 18th segment. These are the largest region of alimentary canal. See, it is connected with one another by circular apertures, and this crop chambers having CK. Each crop consists a small anterior part and broad posterior part, produced a pair of lateral outgrowth. The crop chamber and CK increasing in size toward the posterior side. The last crop chamber, that is the 10th chamber, it is the largest one. Its CK extend to 22 segments. Mucus secreting goblet cells present in the lining of crop. Now function, see, it capable to great functions, it's capable to great dilution to store enormous quantity of blood which can be digested slowly. See, these are the crops and the last 10th crop. Now stomach, below the crop there is a short stomach. The stomach is guarded by sphincter apertures located in 19th segment. The structure of stomach, it is a small, heart-shaped, contains secretory and absorptive cell. Mucous lining of stomach is thrown in anastomose transverse fold. Now function of stomach, that is digestion of blood, and sphincter aperture regulate the flow of blood. Now intestine, see, below the stomach there is intestine. It is located in between 20 to 22nd segments. The structure, it is thin walled, straight narrow tube. Inner lining is thrown into a spiral fold and villi. Function of intestine, a spiral fold and villi helps to increase the absorptive surface. Now rectum, the intestine opens into rectum running from the segment 23rd to 26th. The structure, it is a short, thin wall, dilated and internal ciliated circulating lining. See, rectum opens by a anus in 26th segment. The function, undigested food is stored in rectum and egestion by anus. See, the digestive gland, salivary gland, it is unicellular pyriform salivary gland surrounded the pharynx. Their duct opens in the jaw. See, hirudin, it is the substance which secretes from salivary gland, and it is anticoagulant which prevents the coagulation of blood when the leech sucking from the host. See, Food, feeding and digestion. Leech is sanguivorous in habit and feed on blood from cattle. Leech applies its anterior and posterior sucker to the skin of host. The jaw moves like saw and painlessly puncture the skin of host. Pump-like action of the pharynx, suck